Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix if there was a problem resetting your PC. No changes were made. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, you're going to find your search bar and type down CMD. And in the right panel, just click on Run as Administrator. Hit on Yes. I got to type down reagent C space / disable. And then just hit on Enter. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, you gotta retype reagent C space / enable. Hit on Enter. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, type down exit, hit on Enter. Now you can go ahead and restart your computer and check if it helps. Now, if that still won't work, go ahead and reopen CMD. Run as administrator. Yes, and then type down SFC space / scan now. Okay, it will scan your computer if there are problems or any problems within your computer. Okay, as you can see here, I got this error because I haven't restarted my computer yet after the reagent C command. So go ahead and just type down SFC scan now, wait for the process to finish, and then once that's done, you can now go ahead and try to reset your computer from the system settings. Now, if you can't still reset it from your system settings, well, just go ahead and find the power options right here. Now hold Shift on your keyboard. Okay, again, Shift, and then just click on Restart. All right, Shift, Restart. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, it will open up the recovery section. So let's just wait for it. All right, as you can see here, now you could go ahead over to Troubleshoot, reset this PC. Choose from one of these options. If you want to keep your files, we'll select keep your files. Remove everything. This will format your computer. Okay. Well, if you want this option, go ahead and do so. So just select from one of these options. Local reinstall right here. Okay. And once that's done, you should be good to go. That is it. That is how you fix there was a problem resetting your PC. No changes were made. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.